Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the EMA Cloud Indicator. All right, so we are going to start by heading over to the MQL5 marketplace because this indicator is currently for sale for 49 US dollars on the MQL5 marketplace. However, you can also rent it for 30 US dollars for a month. All right, now let us try out the free demo because the free demo is also available to test using your strategy tester. Okay, you will not be able to use the free demo on your trading account, to trade real money, right? You can only test it using the strategy tester. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video, right? Just give it a few seconds and here we go. Okay, so once the indicator is added, we're just going to drag and drop and we're going to click on test. Okay, and then the strategy tester is going to pop up and then we're going to click on start. All right, so we just give it a few seconds and the indicator should be displayed here so that we can properly analyze how it works. We can also be making references to the MQL5 website to see if there are any features that we need to pay attention to. All right, so our strategy tester has opened. We're just going to head over to the MQL5 marketplace and just see a couple of things. All right, so we can see that it provides trend direction. It helps us to understand trend direction. As we can see here, uses EMA clouds, right? We can see that from this image. However, we ought to have the indicator being displayed here in our strategy tester. All right, but I do not know why it is not being displayed. Okay, now one thing with indicators that are not free is you should always be sure that you have enough information, you have enough evidence that the indicator is going to give you what you want, right? Before you go ahead to make any financial commitments. Now, I do not know why the indicator is not being displayed here in our strategy tester. You can as well try it out using your own terminal, right? But I have already tested a couple of, indicators, in the past, and there are indicators that actually show up and you'll be able to see how it works, but I don't know why this one is not showing up. So that is not really a good thing for me, right? But feel free to come over to the MQL5 marketplace to learn more about the EMA Cloud's trading system. And if you feel confident enough and convinced enough to purchase the indicator, then, well, the choice is yours, right? But if you are looking for free indicators, we have a lot of free indicators in the Forex Geek website. Okay, feel free to head over to the Forex Geek website to to check out the free indicators that we have here. You can just go to Forex indicators, and of course you can search through all the free indicators available and make your choice, right? But that is if you are looking for free indicators. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. We are supposed to discuss just the EMA Cloud Indicator in this video, and since we have already seen what we have to see, I think that will be the end of this video. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers and stay profitable.